This is a brand new 2014 Audi A4. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.